Hello, friends. It's the beautiful spot we visited in Norway. We came to Bristol by coach and then we took the troll cars, as you can see in the video, to take us right up the hills to see the beautiful waterfalls and a massive glacier. The whole journey is so beautiful, it's breathtaking, it's amazing. Oh, nature at its best. It's just so beautiful. So, whenever you visit Norway, it's a must visit site called Brixdale. You come there and then hire the troll cars to take you right up to the hills to show you where the big glacier is there. And Andrew Glacier, you will see all the waterfalls and the greenery, the beautiful scenery, to just make you feel it's just amazing. It's worth the travel all the way. It's just so beautiful. So enjoy watching the video, and friends, please like, comment, and share the video. And please, if you have not already subscribe my channel, Travel with Sush. Okay, friends, see you with some more beautiful videos of my travel. So keep enjoying, keep watching, keep liking, commenting, and sharing my videos to your friends and family. Thank you, people. Love you all. Bye bye.